Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Today we have a special guest with us. His name is Ritesh Biswas. He recently got selected in TCS for prime role for a package of 9 lakhs per annum, and he is one of our Online Study for You courses student. So congratulations Ritesh for getting selected in TCS Prime.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so how do you feel after getting the offer letter from the TCS for prime role 9 LPA?
It was a really wonderful experience. The whole process was so good. Really feel good, like to get such an offer. Yeah, I'm happy for that.
Okay, so before we proceed, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Ritesh Vishwas. I am currently in my BTech fourth year. I am in from IT and I'm currently studying in Narula Institute of Technology, Agarpara, is in Kolkata.
You look little nervous, but that's okay. Okay. Anyway, I'll make you very much comfortable. So we are like,
Yeah.
just having a discussion, nothing else. Okay. So yeah. Uh, okay. So before I start asking you questions, right? When did you apply? How did you apply? So can you please tell us like how did you prepare for TCS NQT exam?
Yeah, I was preparing for the NQT exam from a long time. I was doing DSA from first year, and then I also started aptitude from my third year. And this crash course from the your online study for you really helped me a lot, especially those last minute revisions that really helped me brush up the topics.
Great. So, how did you apply for TCS NQT? Like, how did you come to know that TCS is going to hire? And when did you apply? When did you get the exam mail? So, and you are from 2026 batch, right? So
Yeah.
definitely your joining letter will be like a little delay. But anyway, we'll talk about like survey mail and all which you have got or not. So, can you start from the beginning?
Yeah, for the joining, our college only informed us about the joining was starting.
Hmm.
So for that, then I applied 4th March I applied. Then my exam was on 26th March. I got to the center and gave my exam. Then I was having my interview on 7th April, and then I finally got my offer letter at 11th April.
Okay, 11th of April, you got the offer letter. So, did you
Yeah,
also get any survey mail from TCS? Like, when can you join? Your documents will be ready. So, that survey
yeah. I
mail
also
come.
got yeah.
Okay,
After
survey.
11th April, I got I think 14 April or something like that.
Okay,
2 or 3 days
so,
after.
okay, so when did you opt for your joining?
I
I mean,
just feel like what one can expected of exam dates.
mhm.
That's what I feel. Maybe it will come out about August or something like that.
Okay. So, as you said, like you were preparing for DSA from, the first year itself.
Yeah.
So, why so? Like, and how did you get this motivation that, okay, you should prepare for the DSA from the, first year itself?
Yeah, I got to talk about my seniors. With seniors, they really told me that you need to prepare for DSA really well. And I also was having to wanted to do something big, like so that's why I started with DSA very early, and that really helped me to learn a lot and practice a lot.
Okay. And can you, talk more from your side, like, written exam, how many questions you did, okay, in foundation and then in advanced section, and then when your interview, for how much time the interview questions. So the floor is completely yours. I don't want to speak from my side. So please take this opportunity.
Okay, so for the written exam, there was a two section, foundation section and advanced section. In foundation section, there was three parts, which was verbal ability, quantitative, and reasoning. Verbal ability was there were 20 questions, and that was a very medium level, and they were a bit lengthy, so it took a lot of time to solve them. Then there was reasoning and verbal, which were comparatively easy, and I was able to solve them quite easily. And then in the advanced section, there was advanced reasoning, which was also quite decent. And then in coding, there was two questions. One was easy and one was medium. After completing the exam, then I got shortlisted for my prime interview. And on the prime interview, also I was asked questions. as I was having mentioned in my CV that I was having cybersecurity, so there were a lot of questions asked from my cybersecurity topic. And then they also asked me about basic DSA concept questions like Dijkstra and dynamic programming, and I think I forgot that. So knapsack, yeah, knapsack,
Mhm.
all those.
Okay.
That type of questions were asked from me.
Okay. Okay. So, good. So, for how many, duration the interview was there? How many interviewer was there? So, was there only one or two interviewer?
There were three interviewers. So one was TR, one was MR, and one was HR. All three were sitting together and took my interview in one go. And the interview was about 25 to 30 minutes. It lasted for that long.
And how many students were selected from your college for TCS Prime?
For TCS Prime, I think I exactly don't know the amount. Maybe two or three, like for Prime.
When the crash course was really really helped you. Okay, great.
Yeah,
So, can you tell some interview questions, like what were the interview questions like, if you remember?
yeah. As I said, there was a lot of questions from cybersecurity, and some questions were from in year topics like TBMS and OOPS. So there were also questions like that. One question from OOPS was about encapsulations and implementing with code like that. And another question was from knapsacks. Like it was theory question. You need to explain what was working and how it was working, and also Dijkstra's algorithm.
Okay, so did they also ask you to write the code, or the logic there?
No, not logic, not code. They just simply asked me to explain with real life example.
Okay, the questions whatever were asking, so you had to explain with the
Yeah,
real life examples. Okay,
example.
so okay, so as getting selection in TCS Prime is not that easy. Okay,
Yeah.
so can you suggest a student, like, how did you prepare and how can they follow the same path, so that they can get into TCS NQT 2027?
Yeah, I would suggest that you need to start with DSA and aptitude because that are mainly more important. For DSA, you can learn the topics like array strings and dynamic programming that are really important, and that will really help in the coding round. And for aptitude, you have to keep on learning and keep on revising the formulas and all. You should also try to practice the aptitude using timer because that will really help you to get efficient and uh, come up with a solution faster, and that will really help in saving time in the exam.
So
And also, yeah,
please carry on.
and also the courses like from your side or your really helped me to brush up the topics, and I was also part of the crash course, which really helped.
Thank you. And this DSA, do you also see, like, in future the graph? I mean, graph and trace will be also asked.
Yeah, might be it's possible because they are already moving in the advanced topic like the DP. So there might be a possibility that they can also go for graph and trees questions in the future.
And how did you feel that TCS aptitude like was? So was it very very difficult, or it was mid level? Because one mistake I have seen from the student, right? So they will join the courses or they will start preparing during during their exams, basically when 15 and 20 days is remaining. So that time most of the students will start preparing. But definitely, if anyone can, I mean, if it is so easy to clear in 15-20 days, then everybody will clear, right? So how do you see, like, aptitude? I mean, how
Yeah,
was
for
aptitude?
aptitude, yeah, you need to start a bit early because that will give your a lot of room for improvement. So yeah, last few days is also okay, but then you will not be able to solve those efficiently. So for solving efficiently and getting good at it, you need to spend a bit more time. So that really helped me starting from third year.
Great, great, Ritesh. So thanks a lot for your, for guiding the student and this interview
Yeah,
session. So we definitely at least motivate a student to prepare from little early instead of, preparing the last
yeah,
few days. That is what I also suggest to you. Thanks a lot for coming to our platform.
yeah. Thank you, sir.